Creating voiceovers for your videos can take hours of recording, but with AI, you can now clone your voice in just minutes. Imagine never having to record another voiceover again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs AI to clone your voice and generate voiceovers on demand. Stick around because this is going to be a game changer. Now, to create your own voice clone, click the icon on the right and select Instant Voice Cloning. Don't worry, it's pretty quick. It took me around 5 minutes to clone my own voice, and let me walk you through the whole process. First, you need to upgrade your account to the starter tier, which costs just $5 per month, but now for your first month it's only $1. Alright, once you're set up, it's time to upload your voice recording. Keep in mind that the audio tier should be less than 10 MB and longer than 5 minutes. You can also, of course, remove background noise to get the best results. As a best practice, I would recommend reading like 30 diverse sentences to create the audio file, and these sentences should cover a wide range of sounds in the English language. This will help you get the best quality clone possible. Alright, as you can see, I'm adding some labels like my accent, gender, and brief description, and all I have to do now is save voice to create my AI voice clone. The AI will instantly generate your cloned voice, which is ready to use as many times as possible. That's right, instantly. No waiting around for hours. Once your voice is ready, you can move on to the next step. Now comes the fun part. Head over to the AI speech synthesis section, select your cloned voice, and then type in the text you want your AI voiceover to say. I have chosen a joke. Now hit generate speech, and just like that, you'll hear your own voice reading out the text. You can fine-tune your clone's voice setting by adjusting the similarity slider, which helps you make the voice sound even more like yours. I personally set mine to like 50%. We need a little more speed. Haha. Alright, in just a few simple steps, you can start bulk generating AI voiceovers for all of your videos. It's fast, easy, and incredibly convenient. For just $1 a month, you can save hours of time with AI generated voiceovers. And now, if you want more than just your voice clone, what if you want a fully digital clone video of yourself in all of your future videos? If you're asking these questions or more, I'll make another video to show you how to fully clone yourself in under 5 minutes, and you'll never have to record another video ever again. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and we'll see you in the next one.